fast lane, man.
Yeah,
that's what it is.
That's what happened in Philly. That shit, yeah. That shit is crazy.
Throwing tiles.
Yup. Yup.
My man's shoes still in the street.
Yeah. Real shit. Knocked out his shoes. Yup.
Yo, what's up with the what's up, everybody? It's your boy Slim Savage in the building, back in the fast lane. Hold up. I forgot something. What's up? Hold up. Look what we got.
Yo, I am in the motherfucking tornado right now. It's like that. But yeah, it's motherfucking going crazy. So much rain. This is my car wash today. I'm so glad I didn't get a car wash yesterday or today before the rain. Fuck that. You can barely see out this joint. Let me see. Turn off. Well, yeah, it's like, damn. But yeah, I know how to drive in the rain. You just speed the fuck up. Fast lane. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all all this fucking rain. Cause yeah, it's fucking crazy. But yeah, heading back to the city, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, hopefully, yeah, we get there safe, but shit, can't keep recording, driving through this rain. But yeah, heading back to the city. I'll talk to y'all when we get there. Yeah, back to my man's crib. All right, y'all, peace. Yeah,
You already fucking know, you already know your bullshit. You know what I'm saying? In the field, you know.
In the field with it.
All the time.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, real shit.
Fucking these streets up in the rain.
Yep, in the rain. You already know. But this shit look like shit out this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Like New Jack City.
We in the trenches right now. This right here, area.
Yeah, area. Real shit.
I
You
ain't
already
from
know.
around here though. But insane.
Shit, this been the land since before the land. Like no.
This where Kevin Hart from.
Nigga, you giving up fucking history of you should be a tour guide, nigga.
You hear me?
Yeah.
This where Kevin Hart from.
Real shit.
Yeah, that's where
Yeah.
he at.
Real shit.
Yo. Nigga, I'm outside. Like, nigga, you know what it'll take. What? How long you think it take to get I live across the city? I'm outside. Hurry up. I see I'm outside. It's a big ass pothole in this dark. You gotta watch out.
Let's see what you're talking about. Let's see what you're talking about.
Like a big ass,
Yeah.
right here. See that shit?
I see, yup.
Shit's
Yeah,
deep.
that shit deep.
That shit fuck up your whole car right here. Look, and listen, when them niggas be talking about them Philly potholes, them
Real shit.
bitches like that.
Damn, all these niggas going.
Just know I got a nigga in the front.
Get in the back.
I forgot all y'all niggas was with us.
Small one, get in the middle. Why you boy trying to push me in the middle?
Get in the
Bro, what's up, Slim? My head's a little wet.
Hey, Trey, you a little smoke, and I'm moving back a little bit.
That's my kid, Trey.
My man Slim, 50 Trey.
I'm vlogging. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. You said you vlogging?
Yeah.
Got the guys in the back, you feel me? My man Trey right there, 50 on the side. He got some shit about to drop too. Let him know 50.
Big 50
What y'all
with the
saying?
TVs and all that.
Y'all
You know what I'm saying?
artists?
Don't forget the K, you know what I mean?
You dark as shit. You see? Alright, say that again.
Big 50 with the 2 Ds and all that. I'm saying, don't forget the K, you know what I mean?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
Which-
Trey.
Trey.
What's up, man? TRW, baby. You already know what the fuck it is. Y'all need beats in me out.
Got old in the cut.
You already know.
I'm just out.
Good evening, folks. I'm going to skip the jokes and get right to the part.
Oh,
Hey, yo.
yeah.
Where were you going at to get these hoodies from?
Oh, bro, here.
Bro, in Erie.
Aaron?
Y'all willing to
Oh,
pay
the
me?
hoodies
Y'all
you
willing to pay me $10 just to go to Bro Erie?
Bro, it's raining hard as shit.
Erie.
Yeah, it's
Talking about barely.
close too much. You mean cheap movies?
Well, it's on Bro Erie.
Yeah, it's right over
Right across the street. Well, right here.
It's about,
What, the big?
you're talking about one stop?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, one stop. Yeah.
One stop?
not one stop, the deli.
Oh, the deli.
Oh, across the street?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we in there.
I'm gonna get my
Skirt. God damn. Shit. Hey. What you? Hey. Skirt. We around town. Shit. Yeah, spot. Yeah, spot with it. Yeah, yeah. Where we at? Right here. What's up?
Ken, you think you got me on?
I got no bread.
I got this little dollar.
Which-
Yo, how much you losing? I just ain't no money. You bumming for me. I just told you what I needed help. Somebody gave me this stuff. And you look at my eye watching ATM machine, and we need help. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, we feel offended. We're ladies. Yeah, but we are ladies. We go stay. We don't come around until we go stuff. Take care of
Really?
yourself. All right, I'm just bringing it up.
We outside.
He closed, man.
He closed. I am.
Thank you. Sí, baby, papi, gracias.
Closed. What time? Like 6:05.
What do you say?
Yeah, across the street. He said they closed.
24 hours later.
All right, y'all. So we back in the well. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know. I was just thinking, probably get a car wash. It's about like 6:01. I know places close at like 7, so I'm definitely try to hurry up and get down there. But yeah, I need a car wash. Let me get y'all a little walk around real quick. How we looking though? Cause yeah, I need a car wash. So, right, you look at it. Guess it looks good on video, but not for real, for real. Like, for real, it looks pretty weird. So look at this. So, on video, it's like, all right, let's get up close. Close, personal. You see you got all these bugs everywhere. Right? On the hood. Bird poop. You know. And basically all this dirt on the bottom. You know. So definitely looks like gotta get a car wash done. Got to. It's a nice day outside. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, that's where we're gonna go to outside of the little barbecue is the car wash. So yeah, stay tuned, peoples. We out of here. Y'all see it? Car wash. This baby gonna look good. Shit. I'm in some car wash down Wayne, PA. And shit, this shit should be a touchless car wash, to be honest. Yeah, going through one of these isn't the wave. Hey. Looking good, looking good. Shit says free vacuum. Not doing that one. Screw. Right. And we are off. That was a good one. But shit, on to the next stop. Mainline collision. Skirt. We outie.
One shift later.
So yeah, that shit was crazy. I think I got that shit on Dash. No cap. You seen that shit? That shit was wild. That shit was low-key wild. Big ass boom. I'm like, damn. Like, I seen that shit happening too. I'm like, damn. Yeah, bull coming through. They doing that big ass U-turn, like literally. I don't know how they didn't see him though. Cause I heard that shit. Like, I heard him. Nigga flew. And then got the fuck back up, like bounced up. It's I'm like, ah. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what happened in Philly. That shit, yeah. That shit's crazy. Yup, yup.
I mean, shoes still in the street.
Yeah. Real shit. Knocked out his shoes. Yup. Real shit.
Listen, what he did, he's smart. He tucked and rolled. You better tuck.
Cause he bounced up and shit. I'm like, yo, how he bounced up like that? Yeah, in the air. Cause he sped up to try to get around. Yeah, me too. Me too. Yeah. Pick his shoes up.
He knew he should have got. He think he about. Whole time, listen. He think he about to get a check, but he should have got back with that bike.
I ain't gonna, bro. If the bike wasn't that fucking,
He not gonna get locked up for it though. Oh shit. That shit was crazy, he. Literally. That shit right there. Boom. Damn. Real shit. Cause yeah. Well, yeah, that shit definitely on dash cam. That shit definitely on the dash. The back and the front type shit, like. Damn. Damn. I seen that.
Since they killed my Lord cousin, I'm on that other side. Bullets hit your chest, fuck a vest.